Hi there, it is Kathy O'Connell, and let me ask you something. Are you feeling completely frustrated with dating right now? I am someone who works with people on dating and trying to be successful in dating. A lot of the work I do comes from my 20 years of dating before I met my husband. And as I work with people these days, I feel like more and more people are frustrated with the apps, with all the swiping, the ghosting, the lack of meaningful connection. So, I'm offering you a chance to reset and think about what you really want in dating, and more importantly, all you have to offer to someone. Because I know the whole process of putting yourself out there, dealing with rejection, dealing with people who you really not deal with can be very disheartening for your heart and soul. And in the last decade of my work with dating and relationships, and especially helping people with disabilities, I realized that dating is much more than getting a date, getting a partner. It's a journey in excavating your true self, being able to reach into your confidence and pull out what you know and probably have known for years makes you a good partner. So next week, beginning October 14th, I'm doing a 4-day free dating challenge. We meet at noon Eastern every day for 4 days, just 30 minutes, and I'm gonna give you each day something to focus on. It's a strategy to develop to help you mostly with your mindset, but also your approach to how you go about dating. So in day one, we're going to look at any limiting beliefs you may have about yourself and dating. Day two, we're gonna pull out 10 strengths that you have to offer to people you date, that you bring to relationships. Day three, we're gonna discuss 3 ways to discuss your disability or whatever that issue is, illness, maybe something from your history, something that feels like a challenge to you in the dating scene in terms of getting acceptance. And then day four, we wrap it all up with the action plan where you are taking purposeful action for the next 30 days to get more of the results you want on your dating journey. The registration is in the symbol or in the bio if you're watching this on IG. Totally free. If you can't make it live, I get that. It will be better if you come live, but there will be replays. But you can't get any of it if you don't register, because I need to know where to send you all the info. If you have any questions, then feel free to comment below. See you there.